Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to download the application called Repost Story for Instagram on your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, and now we can go to the iPhone and then go to the App Store, click the App Store application, search for the application called Repost, and now scroll to the bottom. We see Repost Story for Instagram. Download this and then open the application itself. Log in with your IG account, explore stories and feeds, add multiple accounts, search by username, sign in with my account, computer science videos. Do not use this app to repost content without the permission of the respective owners. Yes. And now we are then able to search for stories and then repost to your Instagram. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.